Alright, welcome back. Today we will be doing the encapsulation quiz. So, here we go. The first question is explain the body of method 1, method in simple terms. So essentially what it's asking is that we have to describe what this does in simple terms. So, ignoring everything else, let's focus on this. So public void, so void means it won't return anything, and it just does this dot method 2 and then this is referring to the instance variable right here, the demo instance variable. So we have whatever object this that called method 1 proceeds to call method 2. Method 2 has a default parameter of this, which will automatically be whatever object called method 1. So okay, that called method 1. Okay, and then look, Codecademy, we're using that weird word. Okay, so I don't think this is the answer, so no point in even reading it. And then the method will print a variable demo instance variable of whatever my demo class object that it gets as a parameter. And then the final one is whatever object is that called method 1 proceeds to call method 2 dot method 2 takes a demo class as a parameter. So in addition to calling this method, this passes itself as a parameter. Okay, so I believe it's this. Yeah, because this can be used as an object to essentially call methods and can even be used as a parameter as well. It's weird, but I did go over this keyword, so check out that video. Okay, what will be printed given the following code snippet? So we have a class, we have the main method, so we have a hero called human, or we have a human named hero, or named Clark Kent with the name of hero, and then hero dot say name. So say name is the Superman. So this is gonna print out my name is Superman, not Clark Kent, because this is calling the local variable. If it was this dot name, then it would be Clark Kent. So Superman. Yep, got it. And then fill in the code. So the string instance variable name is accessible. Okay, for other courses. Okay, like that. But the int variable age isn't. So it'll be private. Done. Perfect. What does encapsulation mean? The concept that some variables only exist in a certain scope? No, that doesn't mean what it is. The concept of returning values from your methods? Nope. The concept of separating methods and variables into distinct bundles of logic? I think that's the best answer so far. And then the concept of creating different classes to represent objects in the real world? Nope. So I think C is probably the best answer. So it does help our code be more organized. And then say that you're writing a method called increase age by 5 that is trying to increase the instance variable of dog class by age 5. However, there's a local variable also named age. How would you increase only the instance variable? So remember that this dot keyword targets the instance variable. And then which of the following is not true about mutator methods? Mutator methods should return the value of an instance variable. Mutator methods are often void methods. Mutator methods should be marked as public. Mutator methods often have one parameter of the same type as the instance variable they're interacting with. This is true. This isn't true, because mutator methods are essentially set methods. So they don't return at the end. Return the value of this. No, they don't do this. That's the job of the accessor method. Correct. Given the instance variables for a dog class, which of the following methods is an accessor method for the age variable? So again, it's a getter, and we're returning an int of age. So this looks right, except for the private. It needs to be public, so it should be this one. The accessor method should be public and return the correct instance variable. Okay. Done. And that is going to end it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll be talking about static methods of the math class. And yeah, until then, see you guys and have a great day.